Now back to Blake for the forecast. And how long is it supposed to stay warm and muggy around here, Blake?
Well, not for very much longer, Ron. It looks like we're going to have a little cool down as we head into your Monday afternoon and into Tuesday. In fact, high temperatures may only make it into the mid to upper 50s over the next couple of days. But then we're going to be right back into those 60s and eventually the 70s heading into next weekend. Temperatures right now, we're still holding on to 80 degrees at the big airport. It reached all the way up to 82 degrees earlier this afternoon. 80 in Tomball, 79 there in Katy and Sugar Land. So no matter where you are, it was a very spring-like afternoon here on this last day of February. Winds coming in from the south, 10 to 15 miles an hour. That south wind is a warm wind for us, so anytime you see that, you can surely bet that we're going to see some moderated temperatures across the area. Now, we're also going to be looking at some fog as we head into the overnight hours, as we have seen over the last couple of nights. I don't think the fog is going to be overly dense, maybe along the immediate coast, but as that front begins to work its way through the area, you'll notice how that fog erodes across the region. So I don't think we're going to have to deal with it too long, maybe up until about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. The clouds are certainly there this afternoon. It's a cloudy day across southeast Texas, but really not a whole lot in the way of rainfall. A few scattered sprinkles up there in our far northern counties, but I do think that we're going to see some heavy rain push into our region as we head into your Monday, and it could start fairly early. In fact, if you take a look statewide, there's your cold front right there, and we're starting to see some showers and thunderstorms develop here in the northeast part of the state, where currently we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect, the first severe thunderstorm watch of the season for the state of Texas. Now, this front will work its way into our region. We're not looking at severe thunderstorms here, but a clap of thunder and a flash of lightning will certainly be a possibility heading into the overnight hours tonight and into your Monday and Monday night. Temperatures across the state very warm out ahead of that front. Cooler behind it. We've got double nickels there in Dallas, 50 up there in Amarillo, and 56 degrees in Abilene. And that front takes us all the way up into the Ohio Valley. A lot of heavy rain and thunderstorms here across portions of Tennessee, Arkansas, the boot of Missouri, and also up into southern portions of Indiana. And again, we're going to see that nasty weather push into our region as well. The culprit is going to be that area of low pressure you see right there. That's going to push right across the northern part of the state. We'll get a little bit of drying as we head into the middle part of the coming week before yet another little area of low pressure develops, pushes across the northern part of the state, and that will bring our next rain chance towards the end of the week. But that pushes through fairly quickly. As you see this yellow area, that kind of that hump shape, that's what we call a ridge of high pressure. And as that builds into the state, that means dry weather and pretty weather as we get ready to head into the weekend. So take a look at the future track. Temperatures cooling on down to about 71 degrees heading into 9 o'clock. There's your cold front right there. It's going to slowly work its way into the region. By 3:30 in the morning, we should see some rain pushing through the area. I think tomorrow is going to be a cloudy, wet day across the Houston area with temperatures cooling down into the 50s, and I think we stay there throughout the afternoon. So sweaters will be a requirement, it looks like, as we head into the first day of your new week. And then as we head into the midnight hour, once again, that rain continuing all the way through about 9:30, 10 o'clock, although I think the rain here is overdone, and I do think it'll push through quicker than the model is suggesting. How much rain can we expect? Half inch to maybe upwards of about an inch of rain, especially in some of the heavier storms that develop across the region. So we are waking up to 66 tomorrow morning, cooling on down into the 50s as we head into the afternoon hours. Again, a light sweater will be a requirement, I think, heading into your Monday. We're in the 50s again on Tuesday, a rain chance first thing in the morning. Lots of sunshine Wednesday and Thursday. There's your next front on Friday, and the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, looking pretty good as well.
Wednesday for the win. All right, thank you so much, Blake.